Feeling stuck in a style rut? Well, not any longer. Welcome to Lifestyled. I'm one of your hosts, Ashley Heron-Smith.
And I'm Yvette Rios, and we are talking about probably like one of my all-time favorite subjects today, and that is jewelry.
Yeah, I'm just showing off
she's showing
the jewels for you.
I like it. So I think jewelry is one of those things that can totally transform a look. I mean, it doesn't take up much space. I'm a big fan of collecting.
I mean, it is such a final little piece de resistance in your outfit. It is the littlest, tiniest bit that just completes the look and sends it over the edge.
It's like that kosher salt you put at the last, the
The Maldon salt.
Yes. There you go.
Yeah.
Sprinkle that on and you're done. Okay, so before we put the salt on our outfits, let's talk about what you're wearing, because I think this dress is so cute.
I love this dress. Let me tell you, it is large for me, and I am telling you that because I like the way it fits large, and I would suggest you get a size up if you're going to do this. But this is Mark and James Badgley Mishka. Badgley Mishka obviously is known for evening gowns and just beautiful, elegant, womanly pieces. And a shirt dress is about as elegant and sophisticated as I think you can get.
I totally agree. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's so good. You can even put one side off the shoulder. Oh, so
I could wear a sneaker with it. I could wear even there's so many ways we could go with this. And then my shoes are Vince Camuto, and they are so cute. I think they add a little tough edge to the dress.
Yeah,
right?
I like it. The straps, I think, add a little,
And we love a nude with a bare leg because it extends the line of your leg.
I love it.
How about you?
Okay, so this is a Nina Leonard dress, and what I think is so great, first of all, the color.
Beautiful.
I mean,
especially on your skin.
The pink is just so beautiful. But then it's got this pom-poms, kind of that retro, I feel like my grandmother had pillows that had the little pom-poms on it like this.
I love it.
So nice, and it's kind of like a nice weight. It's not too summery, which I think is great. And it's like
an all-weather dress. Yeah. It might be not be the warmest in winter, but with a pair of tights, you can wear it.
And you show a little of the ladies.
And they look good.
And thanks, I appreciate that. Yeah. Okay, so that's my dress. So we were given some options on belt colors, and both Ashley and I chose the red, which was a little bit out there of a choice.
It's color blocking.
I think it looks fantastic.
Yeah.
I just love the red and the pink. They're like friends.
It looks so good.
It looks so good.
Yes. And then we have to hear about these shoes.
Okay, so the shoes are Charles David, and I think that these, first of all, the color, of course, is spectacular. But these shoes are surprisingly comfortable, and I think with the chunky heel, you could wear them just about anywhere.
It's got the chunky heel, and it's got that very cool, modern, mine have the same thing, that kind of angle to the block heel. But on top of it, I'm so used to a satin shoe being so dressy.
Yes.
And an event shoe that you can't wear it with something a little more casual. Not that you're casual, you look dressed up, but I think of it as a wedding shoe, you know?
Do you remember, do people still dye the shoes to match the dress? That was such a thing.
I haven't had to do that since I was a junior bridesmaid at 16.
I remember.
But I remember going to the store and my mom buying the shoes to
Yes.
dye them.
Yes.
Yeah.
I feel like we got to bring that back. I think that's fun.
Do we?
I don't know.
No.
Maybe not.
No.
Okay, so now we're talking about the salt on our outfits.
Please tell me about your salt.
But let me tell you, I feel completely iced out with this necklace,
Your
by the way.
finishing salt.
Yes, my finishing salt. Let me tell you, this is Radiance by Absolute. These are diamond-esque type diamonds here. They're incredible. This is a tennis necklace, 20 inches, and I feel like I don't know. I got an inheritance today, I feel like.
I mean, it is such a good piece. It does look like real diamonds. It's set in a yellow gold, and I love the length of it. I think it is so cool because at the end of the day, you don't have to wear it with a beautiful, elegant outfit like this. You can wear it with a ripped up, vintage concert tee and some jeans and sneakers, and it's going to add some very cool panache to your outfit.
I totally agree. And you could use this as one of the things to stack, too, which I think would be so fun. But let me show you this. This is crazy. The magnet clasp. I mean, oh my gosh, it's so easy.
Dexterity issues. This is a fantastic necklace because it's really, or if you live alone or whatever it could be, it's just so easy to just put on.
Bam. Okay, so then the bracelet is imperial silver. This is a diamond cut wheat bracelet.
It reminds me of good Cuban jewelry. Us Cubans were given gold.
I totally agree with that.
Yes.
And it's got such a beautiful lock. Like it's one of those bracelets that if the lock was facing forward, you would be fine with it.
Yes.
You know what I mean? It's like decorative on all sides.
It's also one of those bracelets that could very easily be an heirloom that you are just wearing today.
Yes.
It has a vintage quality
sure
to
does.
it. It's beautiful. I really like that.
Absolutely.
Did you do your earrings?
And the earrings are the same. They're Radiance by Absolute. But what's so great, these are hoops, which I think like never go out of style.
Never.
And the size is perfect.
Yeah.
Because these you can wear day to night. I mean, they're just so pretty.
They're not weighing your ears down, which often happens
Oh my
to
gosh.
me. Okay, you ready for my jewelry?
Yes, I want to hear all about it.
Okay, so this is J. King. I love this. We actually have another piece very, very similar
I'm gonna get it.
that I will show. Yvette's going to show you, but mine is in the turquoise. And although I'm not here to sell my engagement and wedding ring, I am a big fan of turquoise. That is in my set. And I just think turquoise is one of those stones that goes with everything.
Literally every color, every skin type. I mean, it's just such a classic.
And also, did you know that turquoise is a protective stone?
No.
Yeah, like that's
Love
its
that.
frequency. I don't know. I won't get too crazy with you. Anyway, on to the jewelry. This is Canadian Amylite Gems. Now, what does that mean? That is the brand, but this ring has amylite and topaz. So if you look really close, it's like this holographic.
Oh my gosh, it is like a hologram.
Yes, it's giving colors of the
Wow,
rainbow.
Beautiful.
And then the little white stones on the side are topaz. My earrings are the same. And
Those
yeah.
are, and you know what's great about that stone is it literally will go with any color.
Anything.
I mean, it's got so many tones in it. So,
Do you know what we learned about amylite though?
oh, we did. We just learned this. This is crazy.
This is the coolest part. Amylite is basically a fossil, which I guess you could say about a lot of gems, but this is like actually made from just being in the earth, a fossil being in the earth for so many years. It is fascinating. And I think if you have like a nerdy friend who's into that kind of stuff, like this is the gift, you know?
So beautiful.
Yeah.
I totally agree. Okay, so now check this ring out.
Yes.
So this is also Radiance by Absolute. So the same like really high quality, super shiny, diamond-like.
But watch
show
this.
them, oh my gosh, this is so cool.
It's all one ring.
I love that.
I think it's so cool. I can't get over that little parlor magic trick that it does.
Yeah, I think that's fantastic. And you're never going to lose a ring. You're never going to, I mean, it gives you that stacked look without the actual threat of losing them.
Just a really very cool piece. But this is the necklace.
Yes, so this is also
J.
King, but this is Peruvian pink
Yes,
opal.
yes.
But no, what's amazing about it is it, you know, like opal, it's got that translucence that's so beautiful. And the pink is just so sweet.
It's
I feel like you can't go wrong.
beautiful. And it's such a mild pink that, again, goes with so many different things.
I'm ready for Valentine's Day with this
You
outfit.
really are.
I am, but you know what? I'm sure that Steven hasn't planned a thing.
Well, we won't get into that, but Stephen, you should probably get on that, my friend. In other news, this is our last item, and I love this because I am always looking for a way to travel with my jewelry.
Agreed.
Because like you said, it is the finishing salt on every outfit, but you need a way to transport it. This hard case is so cool. This is by Prestige, and it closes so easily. It has separate compartments, and I love it because anyone who has put all of their jewelry into one little baggie knows how tangled things get.
Oh gosh.
This is a beautiful way of keeping your pieces separate, tangle-free, and then you just roll it up and throw it in your purse. It takes up barely any space.
What I love, first of all, Ashley gave me a jewelry box for Christmas, which was very sweet because she knows how much I struggle with my jewelry. So she's into this sort of thing.
Yeah.
But I will say what's special about this one for me is that the compartments are big.
Yes.
Because I like, you know, that
like
costume,
bold.
chunky
Yes.
jewelry, chunky rings and things like that. And sometimes the little jewelry holders with the little slide, you know, it doesn't work for me.
No.
So this is perfect for all that chunky stuff. Ugh, I'm obsessed.
Yvette and I have very different style in a lot of ways, and she is like bold and colorful, and that's why she wears things so cute. And it works with this outfit.
Right?
She wears things, and I'm just like, only you could pull this off and look so magnetic and beautiful.
Thank you.
It's
That's
true.
so sweet. The check is in the mail. Don't cash it right away, though. Thank you guys so
Ha ha,
much.
joke's on you, Steven.
Thank you guys. I hope that you feel inspired by all these fabulous jewelry pieces. You can shop right here or you can go to hsn.com.
And make sure to check back on QVC Plus and HSN Plus for more episodes of Lifestyle. Bye.
Bye.